Listen to that crunchy sound. By the end of this video, you will know how to make buttery, crunchy, multi-layered croissants at home with natural fermentation. Let's get started. Feed your sourdough starter the night before. It will be ready to use when it doubles in size. Gather your bread flour, milk, starter, sugar, salt, butter, and eggs. Follow the video for exact amounts. In a large bowl, mix 170 grams of lukewarm whole milk and 150 grams of sourdough starter. Mix it well, then add 60 grams of sugar. Continue mixing. Add 5 grams of salt. Stir it. Add 75 grams of softened cooled butter. Stir it well. Then add 2 eggs. Slowly add 500 grams of bread flour as you stir it. Once you get to this point, use your hands to pull the dough up from the bottom of the bowl towards the top and fold it. Rotate the bowl and repeat this action until all the bread flour is incorporated. Until it achieves this point. Now cover it and let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour. Pull from the bottom of the dough and fold it at the top. Rotate the bowl and repeat it until all the sides have been folded a few times and it feels smooth and firm. When you are done folding, flip the dough with the folded seams down. Cover it and let it rest until it doubles in size. After a few hours, it has doubled in size. It has fermentation bubbles. It's airy, and the top has a dome shape. Push down on the dough gently to take most of the air out. Place it on the counter. Start by spreading the edges gently, forming a rectangle shape. Lift it and use gravity to your favor. Press it down firmly with your fingers and continue shaping it. With the help of a rolling pin, continue shaping it, making sure the thickness stays between 1/8 and 1/2 inch. Smooth and square the edges by folding and rolling it. No need to cut it off, no waste. It's time to spread 220 grams of softened butter on top of your dough. Make sure it is soft enough to spread, not runny. Fold the non-buttered edges about 2 to 3 inches towards the middle of the dough. Now fold one of the sides again to cover the gap in the middle. Press the seam, then fold the other edge towards the middle of the dough. Press it down, then fold it in half. Use the rolling pin to stretch the dough one more time so that the butter settles and spreads evenly. In between the initial layers you have created, roll it until it achieves a 1-inch thickness. Now fold one end 3/4 of the way towards the other end. Bring the other end together and press the seams. Lightly roll it again with a rolling pin. Fold it exactly in the middle. Press the seams, then wrap in plastic and place it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Make sure there are no air pockets between the dough and the wrap. Unwrap it and place it on the counter. The cold temperatures in the fridge harden the butter within the layers and prevent it from melting while you beautifully laminate your dough. Using a rolling pin, press down on the dough-forming ridges, then roll it. Roll it until the dough is roughly 1/2 inch thick. Fold both ends towards the middle with a 1/2 inch overlap. Roll it one more time, to press all the layers and butter tightly. Fold both ends with a 1/2 inch gap in the middle. Then fold one end over the other. Press it gently. Then, wrap it and place it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Roll it at a 1/8 inch thickness. It's time to shape them. Using a pizza cutter or a sharp knife, cut them in a long triangular shape as shown in this video. Cut a 1/2 inch slit at the larger end. Fold that same end tightly, then gently roll it until you reach the sharp end. You want to roll it tight, but do not stretch it too much, to prevent the layers from ripping during fermentation. Place them on your baking tray, lined with parchment paper. Cover them and let them rise until they double in size, or they jiggle when you touch them. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place a loaf pan with water at the lower rack as a source of steam. This will add moisture and prevent the crust from hardening too soon. Bake them for 10 minutes with the steam source, then remove the loaf pan with water and bake. For another 25 to 30 minutes, they achieve this golden and beautiful color in 35 minutes. Total baking time. They are soft and flaky. The aroma is incredible. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what country you are watching it from.